Hi guys, I'm gonna teach you how to subtract in the abacus. And if you don't know what it is this. And if you don't know how to use it, I will teach you. So, I'm gonna teach you how to subtract with this. This helps us to make the math easier. So come on, start. We're gonna subtract 4,234 minus 21. So we don't know how much is equal. So we need to subtract 21 from 2,234. Okay, so now I put here. Oh, if you don't know how to use it, each of these counts as 1 and each of these counts as 5. So if you don't know how to use it, I'm just telling you just so you know. Okay, so here it says 4. You see here? 4, it says 4, so you put up 4. It says 3, so you put up 3. Here it says 2, and you put up 2. And here it says 4, and you put up 4. 4. There. Yeah, there. So it's gonna be 4,234. So now we don't know how much it will equal. We don't know, right? We don't know nothing. We don't know what it's gonna be yet. We don't know yet. We will see until we finish this. So now we need to subtract 21. I put down a 1 and then put it down a 2. So then it will be 4,200. I always put this here, so you know it's a thousand. 4,200. 13. So if we come on to check, because we don't know if it's correct. So now we do this. We put 4,213 plus 21, and we don't know what it equals. So 3 plus 1 equals 4, and 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 0, 2, and 4. So it's gonna be, yeah, we are correct, because 4,234, 4,244. So this is gonna be the answer. 4,234. So this is the answer, and we're done. So it's gonna look like this. You have a piece of paper with this, and this is gonna look like this. And to triple check, we go here, and you see, look, it has to look like this. Wait, no, it has to look like this. You see, 4, 2, 1, 3, and here's 4, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay, so bye.